Hello and welcome to Tech Talk. Today we want to talk about kitchen gadgets. Kitchen gadgets can transform your cooking game without breaking the bank. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is a game changer with its window to watch your food and odor-eliminating filters. No more stinking up your kitchen when making crispy wings. For perfect meat every time, the Thermapen One gives instant temperature readings and automatically rotates the display based on how you're holding it. It's waterproof too, so no worries if you accidentally drop it in the sink. Bakers know measuring by weight is crucial. The Escali Primo scale switches between grams and ounces with one press and has a 4-minute auto-off timer, giving you plenty of time to prep ingredients. Want homemade ice cream? The Ninja Creami makes luxurious frozen treats while taking up minimal counter space. It's basically a specialized blender that creates store-quality desserts at home. For serious bakers, KitchenAid's Artisan stand mixer is worth the investment. Beyond mixing dough, attachments can transform it into an ice cream maker, meat grinder, or pasta machine. The Vitamix Blender is unmatched for smoothies, sauces, and soups. It pulverizes even the toughest ingredients like nuts and frozen fruit into silky perfection. Multi-cookers like the Instant Pot Duo Plus combine pressure cooking, slow cooking, and more in one device. Make everything from stews to cheesecake. For restaurant quality results, try sous vide cooking with the Anova Precision Cooker. It maintains precise water temperature, so your expensive steak is perfectly medium rare every time. These gadgets aren't just splurges, they're investments that make cooking easier, more enjoyable, and often healthier too.